Durable outer coverings help shield and protect against tough conditions, vibration, abrasions, and moisture. Wires are color-coded correctly for easy installation. Part fitment 2008 to 2012 Chevrolet Malibu. GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability, and durability of GMOE. Manufactured to GMOE specification for fit, form, and function. GM Genuine Parts headlight wiring harnesses are designed, engineered, and tested to rigorous standards, and are backed by General Motors. These harnesses are organized sets of wires, terminals, and connectors that run throughout your entire vehicle. They relay information and electrical power to your vehicle's headlight switch and headlights. GM Genuine Parts are the true OE parts installed during the production of or validated by General Motors for GM vehicles. Some GM Genuine Parts may have formerly appeared as AC Delco GM Original Equipment (OE). Top reviews from the United States. Exactly what I needed. Exactly what was needed to fix my lights. Good price and hasn't gone out, purchased 11 months ago.